This meditation is requested by Lina. So just get comfortable in your very favorite position and just imagine a black velvet curtain falling down in front of your eyes, and just start to withdraw your senses from the outside world and begin to be aware of your inside self. And before we begin, let's do a little temperature check. How do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10? And we will do a little check at the end of the meditation as well. So we're going to start with some affirmations for improving your self-love and boosting your self-confidence. I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of myself. Why is it that I feel so good these days? Why is it that I feel so good these days? Why is it that I feel so good these days? I am secure within my own skin. 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 I am good enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. And when you think about it, good enough for whom? For a parent? For a teacher? For someone at the church? For that romantic relationship? Many of us feel not good enough for someone that is important to us, someone that we look up to, someone that we admire, or someone that we love. So for today, we are going to be good enough for us, because that, at the end of the day, is what matters most. I am good enough for me. I am good enough for me. I am good enough for me. I forgive myself for past mistakes and where my being not good enough in past relationships caused me a lot of suffering. It was very challenging and painful to feel not good enough, or not attractive enough, or not smart enough, or not skilled enough, or not skinny enough, or not tall enough, or not wide enough, or not something enough. And breathing in for 4. And just let that go. And breathing out for 4. We are all made differently. And that is the beauty of it, the variety of us. The variety of us as human beings, male, female, young or old, black or white, tall or short, bigger or thinner, gay or straight. We are mixed and different and unique, and that is what makes the world a better place. So as I work on accepting others, working on accepting myself plays a big part in how I am received by parents, by teachers, by bosses, by romantic partners. The better my self-acceptance, the better I see that reflected back to me on the outside. You really are good enough, you know. Really. Just as you are today. The height you are, the weight you are, the color you are, the hair you have, whatever it is that you've criticized yourself for, make a commitment today to stop the self-criticism. And just for today, say to yourself, I am good enough. And let yourself off the hook for any past mistakes in relationships, in romantic relationships, especially. Let yourself off the hook and forgive yourself that you didn't know. And now you know. And now you know better. And now you know better. You can do better. So, just breathing in for 4. And breathe out and say, I have self-acceptance. And breathing out for 4. And breathing in for 4. And breathe out, I am good enough. And now, for today, that is enough. The turtle wins the race a step at a time, small changes over long periods of time. I am secure and I am good enough. And I make a commitment today to stop the self-criticism. So, a final little temperature check. How do you feel? Out of 10. And now I'm going to slowly count you out of this meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just start to be aware of what's going on around you, any sounds in your home or outside in your neighborhood today. And when you feel ready to, bring your awareness back into the 3D and open your eyes. Lots of love.